So hey everyone and welcome back to my video series. This is Shraddha and you're watching Unique Chat BBA. Okay, so as today is another BBA Sunday, and so I brought for all of you a very interesting book which is one of all of your popular requests which I have got, and the book is all of your favorite series books. And yeah, this book you all had really told me a lot of time. And yes, can you guess it? And if your answer is Geronimo Stilton, then you're of course right. Yeah, the book is Geronimo Stilton's The Dragon of Fortune. And so for today's video, I brought this special epic book which is really very much great. So why are we waiting for? Let's get started. 11th PBI is our wish, so let's start the video in a swish. Okay, so the content of today's video is first, of course, BBA, my review and the hashtag BBA experience, and then a big flash me to the best experiences you shared with me. So stay tuned because the video is going to be full of beautiful things, beautiful stories, and of course your favorite book, The Dragon of Fortune by Geronimo Stilton. So let's begin. The first here comes is BBA, my review. Now, Geronimo Stilton's The Dragon of Fortune. This book's author is Elizabeth Adami, as you all know, but she writes herself as Geronimo Stilton or maybe Thea Stilton. And she tells that Geronimo Stilton and Thea Stilton are the author of the whole best-selling books. Now, let's move to the main characters of Stilton's family. The first here comes is Geronimo Stilton. He runs the Rodents Gazette, New Mouse series' most widely read daily newspaper. Now the next here comes is Thea Stilton. She is the special correspondent for the Rodents Gazette. And the next is of course Geronimo Stilton's nephew, he is Benjamin, and the next is Trap, Geronimo Stilton's cousin. So now let's move to the gist of this book. And so Geronimo Stilton's The Dragon of Fortune, this book's gist. Now, as you all know, Geronimo Stilton has travelled to the Kingdom of Fantasy a lot of times, and he also travels to the Kingdom of Fantasy on the wings of the Dragon of Fortune. Now you're gonna ask me, why do he travel? Because he has really created a very terrible mess. Now what is that mess? That in the past time, Queen Blossom of the fairies, the Queen Blossom is the queen of the whole kingdom. She has given the Geronimo Stilton a very precious ring. It is called as the winged ring, and what Geronimo did is he just put that very much precious ring in his nightstand. Now of course someone stole it, and the person who stole it was Probert the Cruel. And so this all started with that nightstand, and it all ended in a very terrible mess because the winged ring, the precious ring, is very much powerful. The one who has that ring can rule the whole universe, and so it will never be in evil hands, but it has. And so Blossom calls Foolish One. He is named as Foolish One after losing that very precious ring, and so she called that foolish man to the Kingdom of Fantasy, and he has to just set up things again proper because that was a very terrible mess. And because he had to set up that terrible mess, because if he didn't got that ring in a couple of days, the Blossom, the queen of the whole Kingdom of Fantasy, will be exiled forever as she had broken a law of the fairies. And so the Foolish One, which means Geronimo Stilton, find this adventure very much beautiful and with full of different types of kinds of witches, different types of wizards, and a lot of creepy different types of plants. And he also meets a lot of great people in the Kingdom of Fantasy, like the clever chameleon, then maybe the male magnificent, Wolfie, the Lady of Dreams, and a lot different types. And in case if you're bored of just reading any other books, go switch to this beautiful book. You're surely going to cheer up. And also this book is one of the epic books. Now, as you all know, there are about 2 epic books in this Kingdom of Fantasy series. The first is The Phoenix of Destiny, and the next one is The Dragon of Fortune, and this has about plus plus 576 pages. Very much interesting. It is having the best illustrations which really tell us what the scene was in that Kingdom of Fantasy. And really, can Foolish One, it means Geronimo Stilton, really can he find that ring? He wants to do that his best to find that ring. And so forgetting all of these things, how he find out the ring, what goes in his life, you need to read this special book, The Dragon of Fortune. It's really very much great. I read this book a lot of times because, as you know, these books are never ending books. I think so. Because every time I just read them, I just love to read them. I know that you all are also going to love it. And in the meantime, of course, you can say there are some grammatical mistakes in this book, like squeak, then different types of these words. If you're needing to solve out that problem which we feel there, quickly you can see an eye popping up here right now. As always, there is our 5th BBR which we had made on Thea Stilton's The Secret of the Crystal Fairies book review. We had given there a very secret hack which you can use to convert those mouse language words into our proper English, and you can just quickly learn what are they meaning. And so this book's learning and reading will be so much fun for all of you without any grammatical mistakes, which we think so. And so, as you can see, you all need to read this fabulous book to get out how the Foolish One, we mean Geronimo Stilton, find out this adventure very much great. And also I must include, this book is having a lot of quizzes, different types of spot outs, just spot where this frog is and all. And so you all will be really entertained very much well. And of course, you all need to read this book. And yes, I'm also going to tell you all, I love this book a lot. It is having, of course, great illustrations which I admire really very well. Great letterings, as I've already told you all in my that 5th BBR video, that it was really very great. We get to learn different types of lettering in this book. And of course, if you want to check out that video, you can go with this. Alright, and I'm also dropping links of that 5th BBR and also my whole BBR series from 1st to 10th BBR in the description box, so you can go and quickly check out any of the videos you missed out. Okay, and so this was my mini review. I hope you really loved it. It is so much beautiful book. I really loved it, and of course you are really going to read it, right? It is one of your best favorite book series which I brought for all of you. And also quickly put down comments for me in this video telling me, did you like my this best book review, because it was one of your popular requests. And yeah, and do let me know in the comment section right below this video that would you like more like these interesting topics coming up, and you can just drop about different types of topics you're wanting. And so let's move to the hashtag BBR experience. It is that you can share your experience about how you felt or what you learned after reading this book or any other Thea Stilton or maybe Geronimo Stilton books, and just do a little thing. Drop comments in the comments section with the title hashtag BBR experience itself, and your best experiences will be highlighted in my next video, as I'm also going to highlight it in my today's video too. And of course, the best experiences are of course the best, and I'm looking forward for all of your best experiences in the comment section to your comments. So now let's move to the hashtag Flash Me One. And now a big flash me to the best experiences you shared with me. Okay, and so these were the best experiences I had got from all of you, and I hope you do like this hashtag Flash Me Once. And I know that you're gonna read this beautiful book, Geronimo Stilton, The Dragon of Fortune. Really very much beautiful. Yeah, it is having up to 500 pages, but yeah, it's not like that we need to read those 500 pages. Once we start reading this book, we don't know at what time we are just going to complete this book. It's very much adventurous book. And so that was all from me for all of you today, and I hope you loved the video, and I hope you loved this special BBR concept. And meanwhile, a new video with a new special BBR or any other special concept is waiting for all of you on next Sunday at sharp 5 PM. So stay tuned at that time. And of course, In the meantime, please press that subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it and give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment and drop all of your best experiences and comment, and don't forget to click that share button. And of course, I know that you're going to read this fabulous book. Check out that what is the best adventure in this book, solve those best quizzes and stay happy. Until that time, unique readings.